Let's move over here a little bit more.
I like staying away from other people.
Yep. I'm gonna try to surf in. I just went underwater. Do you ever do that? Just go into the wave?
Yeah.
Then you don't get washed away.
I like getting washed away though. It's fun because your body's like flailing around. Right here's the most fun part to be in.
Ooh, it's chilly in here.
It's got really high up here. Make sure you get a view from when you're like on top of the wave.
It's too deep for me. How the heck are you standing up here?
I'm not standing. I'm swimming.
Let's go, wussy wave.
You can hear the engine starting.
There it goes.